Every sailing ship faces a challenge beneath the waterline. Microscopic organisms, the starting point of biofouling, begin attaching to the hull. Invisible to the naked eye, these tiny life forms create a biofilm, providing an ideal base for larger organisms to attach. It's a domino effect. What starts as a thin layer turns into heavy growth, increasing drag, leading to higher fuel consumption and negative environmental impacts. Old problems often call for new solutions. That's where Cathelco's patented system steps in. With our cutting-edge ultrasonic technology, you can proactively repel biofouling, keeping hulls clean, maintenance low, and voyages efficient. Meet USP DragGone from Cathelco, the next generation in ultrasonic anti-fouling.